To in our family. In today's lecture, we are solving out the question related to the differential equation. Question says that obtain the complete solution of the differential equation d square y upon dx square minus 7 dy upon dx plus 6y is equal to e the power 2x. Solution. And determine the constant so that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. At first, we solve out the question and get the equation solution. Solution. At first, write down given equation can be written as given equation written as given equation written as put d by dx is equal to capital D. Put d by dx is equal to capital D. When we put d by dx is equal to capital D, we get d square y take out as a common minus 7d plus 6 into y is equal to e the power 2x is equal to e the power 2x. Now a is given by a stands for auxiliary equation. Now auxiliary equation is given by for finding out the auxiliary equation, we put capital D is equal to m. When we put capital D is equal to m, we get m square minus 7m plus 6 is equal to 0. It's become m square minus 6m minus m plus 6 is equal to 0. Take out m as a common, then we get m minus 6. When we get minus 1 as a common, we get m minus 6 is equal to 0. By the splitting of middle term, we are solving out this. Here we get 2 factor because conic equation always having the 2 factor and 2 roots. Then we get m minus 6 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. When we put equal to 0 1 by 1, then we get m minus 6 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 6. And when m minus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to plus 1. Now CF is given by hence CF is equal to C1 e the power 6x plus C2 e the power x. I think you understand. C1 e the power 6x plus C2 e the power x. Now for Pi. Pi is equal to Pi is equal to, We know that for finding out the pi, put the RHS part in the numerator, e the power 2x in a numerator, and the equation of d in a denominator. The equation of d write down in a denominator. D square minus 7d plus 6, d square minus 7d plus 6. Now apply the identity and solve out. The identity says that if e the power ax in numerator and function of d in denominator fd, then it is write down as e the power ax upon fa. Fa stands for function of a. In this we replace the capital D by a, so it become pi is equal to e the power 2x as it is upon capital D is replaced by 2 because here the value of a is 2 to the square minus 7 into 2 plus 6. When we solve out and find out the final solution, then we get pi is equal to e the power 2x is as it is to the square 4 minus 14 plus 6. 10 minus 14 to minus 4, e the power 2x upon minus 4. This is our pi, e the power 2x, 4 plus 6, 10 minus 4. Now general solution is, hence general solution is we know that general solution is given by y is equal to cf plus pi, so y is equal to cf is c1 e the power 6x plus c2 e the power x. c1 e the power 6x plus c2 e the power x, plus pi is minus 1 by 4 e the power 2x, It is equation 1. Now from given says that, and determine the constant so that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Given is y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Given y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. When we operate in equation 1, we get y is equal to 0, then equation 1 becomes 0 is equal to c1 e the power 0 plus c2 e the power 0 minus 1 upon 4 e the power 2 into 0. It became 0 is equal to c1 plus c2 minus 1 upon 4, c1 plus c2 minus 1 upon 4. Now it is become C2 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus C1. It is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 is become y is equal to C1 e the power 6x, C1 e the power 6x plus C2 is replaced by C1 plus 1 by 4, C1 plus 1 by 4 into e the power x, e the power x minus 1 upon 4 e the power 2x. When we solve out this equation by take out the common, then we get C1 is common, y is equal to, take out C1 as a common, then C1 common, it's become e the power 6x, e the power 6x plus e the power x plus e the power x, and take out plus e the power x upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 e the power 2x, e the power 2x. I think that is right. See at first. Now the final solution is y is equal to C1 e the power 6x plus e the power x, e the power 6x plus e the power x plus 1 upon 4 e the power x. Take out as a common, then we get 1 minus e the power x. It's our final solution. I think that is it's right. If any problem arise, then tell me, then we can change our solution. See at first. The question says that d square y upon dx square minus 7 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to e the power 2x. Given equation can be written as d square minus 7d plus 6 into e the power 2x. After then we solve out by the putting capital D is equal to m square minus 7m plus 6 is equal to 0. It can be write down m square minus 6m minus m plus 6 is equal to 0. The addition of minus 7m and multiplication is plus 6m square. When take out m is common, m minus 6 minus 1 is common, m minus 6, m minus 6, m minus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to 6 and 1 are the factor of the given codic equation. The solution is given by y is equal to cf is equal to c1 e the power 6x plus c2 e the power x. Now pi is equal to e the power 2x upon d square minus 7d plus 6. We put the e the power ax upon fd is equal to e the power ax upon fa. We get 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 6. It is e the power 2x upon minus 4. Hence general solution is cf is equal plus pi c1 e the power 6x plus c2 e the power x minus 1 upon 4 e the power 2x. Given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, 0 is equal to c1 e the power 0 plus c2 e the power 0 minus 1 upon 4 e the power yes, so and so. 0 is equal to c1 plus c2 minus 1 upon 4 a. So now c2 is equal to sorry this is the wrong. C2 is equal to minus C2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4 minus C1. Now we get 1 upon 4 minus C1. 1 upon 4 minus C1. So we get 1 upon 4 minus C1. When we solve out it, it's become minus e the power 6x minus C1. sorry, minus c1 is take out as a common, then e the power x 6x and is become minus. In some books the solution is given e the power x minus e the power 6x, e the power x minus e the power 6x. Don't worry, it's also right and that's also right, because when we take c1 e the power 6x plus c2 e the power x, then we get this solution, and when we take c1 e the power x plus c2 e the power 6x, then we get that solution. So both answer is right, but e the power 6x minus is necessary. The mid term is minus always. Is c1 e the power 6x minus e the power x plus 1 upon 4 e the power x into 1 minus e the power x. It's our final solution. I think you understand how we can solve out the given question by the using of the auxiliary equation. Now lecture is finished. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.